Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a BattleBit Remastered controller or gamepad is not working on your PC. Super easy fix. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to plug and unplug your controller and then restart your Steam client. So then go to the task manager and then basically tasks related to Steam. And if it's not working, then you need to go back to Steam. On the top right corner, you should see Steam here. Then you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to controller. Then you need to go to general controller settings. And here you will see this menu here. So make sure that guide button focus Steam is enabled. And then depending on what controller you're using, if you're using a PlayStation controller like I am, you need to select this box. If you're using Xbox controller, make sure to select this one and then disable this one. And then you just need to, you will see your detected controllers here. You need to press on that, press identify. Your controller should vibrate. And another thing that you need to do here is to make sure that controller shutdown time is on never, because if you on default it will be 15 minutes. So basically what it means, your controller will shut down after 15 minutes. So if you're playing the game, it's very inconvenient. So and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.